let's have a look at the flight radars. A helicopter just passed my house. Right then, let's have a little... Where did he... Started in the middle of the sea. Let's see if there's any Royal Air Force aircraft nearby. Let's have a look. Oh, let's see where this Chinook is going. Oh, here he is. That's him. Where is he? Oxford. Where did he take off from? I'm guessing there. Unless there's an airfield around there. Doesn't look like it. Really? He did a loop-de-loop there. Not loop-de-loop. What was he doing there? Oh well. Oh, here he is. Buckingham. Any typhoons nearby, maybe? Oh my god. Oh, where's this guy going? Army Air Corps. AH-64. That could be on Waterloo. I'm recording a video. That was my mother. Oh my word. Where did he come from? In the middle of the sea. Where's this guy going? Not available yet. Oh, what's that? Oh my words. Zoom out. Look how many aircraft there are. Jesus. Why are they blue? Why are some of them blue and some of them yellow? I don't get it. And a small one there, that's blue. Oh, stupid phone brightness. I don't know why my phone does that. It's a pain in the ass. What's that? C700. Paris to Chicago. Lovely. PC-12. What's that? Oops. Ooh. Small aircraft. Boston, New York. Oh my word, I was just about to say, why is there not a lot of aircraft? Now there is. Oh my... Oh, where's he going? New York to... Cancun? Nope, I wouldn't have known. I don't know. Oh, so a big line up here. Where'd he's off to? He's going to Phoenix. He's going to Memphis. He's going to Fort Lauderdale. Where's he going? Orlando. Where's he going? Oh, he's arrived from Indianapolis. Where's he going? Jacksonville. Any of our big ones? Where's our big ones? From the Royal Air Force. Let's have a look at the... No, okay, never mind then. Canada. No, I don't fancy tracking that. None from there. Netherlands. None from there. New Zealand. None from there. Oman. Oops. Oh, wow. That looks like a Mirage. It says Airbus A320. So does that. But yet the picture is completely wrong. Okay. Let's have a look. Royal Navy. Okay, never mind then. I was about to say, let's have a look at the Royal Navy. Let's track this Atlas. Where's this Atlas going? Oh, he's up. He's up and running. Where's he come from? I can't see because of my phone. Brightness is a bit shit. It does it automatically. I don't know how to stop it. I could just about see black lines. Oh, there we go. It's come back to normal now. For now. Where did he come from? Oh, blue lines now. He came from... Yeah. There. Apparently. Yeah. He's floating a good fair few way. Across the sea. Pardon me. Oh, he took a big turn to the left or the right. I think it's the right. I'm thinking he might be coming into St. John's. Or St. John's International Airport. I could be wrong. Where's this helicopter going? Ah. Oh, there's someone near us. That's where I'm facing, so it should be... Something should be coming over us nearly a few minutes. I can't hear it, but it's a bit windy. It should be directly in front of me, but I can't see it. But not to worry. Let's check how the cricket's doing. It's England versus Australia. It's the women's... Oh, rain delay. Fuck the rain delays. We're not doing too good, unfortunately. Not doing too good. Okay. Nice. Longridge. What's that aircraft? Okay. Most of these will be passenger aircraft, unfortunately, because military aircraft, I think, want to be private. There's a helicopter here. Oh, that's a new helicopter. Well, it's not new, but I've not seen that one before. On here. Like, I only got this a few days ago. So I'm quite new to this. Oh, that's a Chinook. Where's he going? It doesn't say. It doesn't say where he's coming from either. Oh, okay, maybe it does. Oh, my word. Hey, Cardiff. I'm thinking he's coming from Cardiff. Because it's from roughly that direction. What's this? Amsterdam to Cardiff. I'm thinking in the Cardiff airport. Yep. Where is he? Let's watch this guy. Just checking my battery life, that's all. I don't know why when I zoom in they go lighter. But let's watch this guy until he lands. He's getting there slowly. Arriving in 3 minutes, I think that is. So, like I said, I'm new to this. So, what's that? P26. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. So, where's he supposed to be going? He's took off from Cardiff, done a big massive circle, done a fair few loops, or whatever the hell he's doing, and ended up there. It might be one of those aerobatic aircraft that go up, stall, and then do some sort of aerobatic stuff. I think that's what that kind of aircraft is. Oh no, he'll have to wait until he's took off, possibly. Oh. You would think if he's going completely the opposite way, you would think it would come from this end. Unless I think it depends on the wind as well. I think it's the wind. They take off into the wind. Yeah, they take off into the wind. Not coming into the wind, but you get me. Same with landing as well, possibly. So it helps him take off easier. Okay, now he's took off, he might land, because there's absolutely nothing there. Nothing in Cardiff, apart from one. Let's have a look at the... Oh, wow. Arrivals. What time is it now? 4. Oh, there's something coming over us. Something coming over us. What is it? Ooh, camera. We need to camera this. Ooh. That aircraft was this. An F2H. That's going to Wharton. Hey, it's where my granddad lives. That's brilliant. Well, my granddad lives in Freckleton. So, you would think it... Wow, let's watch this guy land, actually. That PA-38 could go right across us. Okay, maybe not, he's turned. Bugger. Turn. He's coming in to land. I can hear an aircraft, but I think it's that. Up high. Very high. Where's he off to? San Jose? I'm thinking. Oh, he's coming in to land. Reduce the speed. Gear down. Depends how fast he goes. If you're not careful, you can rip your gear off. Is that called Bus Lane? Bush. It is as well. Funny. Naze Lane. Pool Lane. Who comes up with these names? Green Lane. Typhoon Lane. Nice name. That's a good name. It's a real good name, that. Let's see if there's any typhoons on here. Sometimes you can see typhoon just parks. I might need Google Earth for this. But there is a lightning. And I think that is a lightning. I could be completely wrong, but that's a shape of a lightning. The jet. What's this guy gonna do now? Oh. Huh? He's turned completely around. He could have gone that way. In there. Or maybe he couldn't. $20. 21, 22. I'm looking at the speed here. Is it me or is he taking off again? 23, 21, 19. Oh, maybe not. Oh, he's going in here. What is this stuff from? Nice. Or Nice. I think that's Nice. Where's Nice? Where's Nice? Oh wow. A small plane for a very large distance. Nice. Where is Nice? I don't know. Still, it's a very long way just to come here. It's coming to a stop now here. So I'm thinking he's going to go where that aircraft is. Oh, maybe not. Maybe because there's an aircraft already there. That looks like it could be one of them. I could be wrong, but it looks like it could be one of them. Oh, and that sound stopped. Anyone near us? No. We could see this guy. Where's this guy going? Portland. Arrivals. Is there any arrivals? Oh, that's cancelled. Ooh. Makes a change. So I think that's it from that one. Oh, Blackpool Airport. Is there any arrivals for Blackpool Airport? Yes. Where's this guy? Holy Jesus. Quite a fair way away. Yeah. Oh, we have travelled a fair way away. F900. Where's this guy going? Oh, he's arrived from Berlin. Oops, I had it now. Where's he arrived from? Istanbul. I'm thinking that's, I was about to say, is he going to come? Oh, he's going to Dublin. Oh, he's going to, yeah. Malanga, I think. Oh, where is he going? Oh, he's come from London. He's going from Nottingham. Dusseldorf, nice. Dublin. I feel he's coming from Dublin. Sorry, I was looking at the wrong thing then. Faro. Dublin to Dusseldorf. Oh, so he's going to go to Dusseldorf. Wow, fair few aircraft there. Let's have a look at the airport can be country. Let's have a look at this. Bahamas, Belarus, Canada, China, no. Denmark, no. Finland. Germany, let's have a look at Germany. You don't really want actually. Italy, India, Ireland, Shannon Airport, let's have a look at this. Really? There's nothing here? Oh, idiot. Arrivals, let's have a look at this. Oh, okay, there's a fair few. From Manchester? This is tomorrow, this. Budapest. It's departures. Nottingham. Ryanair as well. Can we have a look? Ooh, Ryanair, I like a Ryanair. Exit that. Annoyingly, you can't. Where's that going? You can't track him on the great. Just great on ground. There's things on the ground. Playback. Oh, it's a helicopter. Where's he got to? Oh, it was off to Shannon Airport. Okay, thank you very much. But yeah, it doesn't show any. Oh, well, not to worry. Maybe because once they're landed, they go. Because I'm at that Wharton airport now, and that F2H that flew past isn't there anymore. So maybe once they've landed, engine shut off, they come off. Let's see if I can find that thingy again. The Chinook. Transport, I think it was. Nope. Maybe it wasn't a transport, maybe it was the... Wow, there's a fair few here. Ooh, Typhoon. We're gonna have to look at this. Where's he come from? From the middle of the sea. How is that possible? It's a jet. Well, that's older. Is that me or is that two? There's two. Oh. They might be flying in twos. Some of them flying twos. That's a GR4. What about the other one? It's the same one. Does it tell you what the pilots are? So that's Mark Williamson's aircraft, and that's Gian Marco. Yeah. You've got me no chance of bloody pronouncing that. I didn't realise there was two there. What's a G-12T? Whatever it is, it's Royal Air Force, and he has done an weird looking flight path. Oh, there's another one. Another weird looking flight path. Let's have a look at the dip. Landed. Oh, they've all been landed. Just wondering if the two Typhoons will. This will be the last one. Oops. Oh, I forgot to check that. Oops. I think these are both Typhoons. Yeah, I was about to say they both might be Typhoons. Swift. No call sign. Is that another Typhoon? It is. Oh, that Benson? Where's this guy going? There was 3 Typhoons, so I'm just going to see where that other one was. I think it was this one. No call sign. Apparently this is a Typhoon, so where is he? In the middle of the sea. Are you kidding? Oh, maybe not. Nick Sheeder, I'm thinking he's piloting that. What's that? Oh. Where's he going? Belfast from London. Oh, helicopter. It's not available. Right, that's it for this one. I need to charge my phone up, that's why. I will probably be doing the Mario Kart Tour, Mario vs Luigi Tour later on, once my phone is nice and charged up. So I will say thank you for watching. If you got this far, I hope you continue liking my videos and subscribing. I've finally reached 400. I've currently got 403, so I'm a bit surprised by the fact that it's still going up. Let's check your kit before. Still a rain delay, I'm not surprised. Yeah, I've still got 403 now. So yeah, subscribe to my best friend, my college, my best friend from War Thunder, and my ex, who I had a little bit of a fling with a few weeks ago, but it's all sorted now, and my second channel. I rarely do anything on it. It's only because, just in case I ever got made this one get randomly shut down for some reason. Yeah, I hope you continue liking my vids and considering subscribing. I will see you guys in the next video.